I'm in Bruce Kleindienst, and I live at Hedgewick Lane in Elizabethtown. I wanted to get quotes from 3 different places. What made me choose you guys was after I learned a little bit about roofing, was that you were Master Elite installers. And that made all the difference for the guarantees and warranties. Because there was a fellow who was cheaper, but he wasn't a Master Elite.
Right.
So the warranties weren't going to be the same as with you guys. It was basically an old roof. This is the original roof of the house. The house is 25 years old. It was like, this needs to be done. Actually, you guys were the only guys that really went up on the roof. Caleb went on the roof, inspected it, told us, showed us where the problems were. We agreed to it. He sent me a quote. We agreed to it. And then literally within, I think 10 days or so, you guys were here. Within an hour, they had the old roof off, the underlayment put on, and they were ready to start shingling and stuff. They had a little delay in getting the shingles here, but they worked through that, and Caleb kept me informed the whole time, and said, hey, no, we'll make it right. We'll get it here. And they did. And yeah, and the next day they were done. Perfect timing, because I think the day after they finished, the rain came. The thing I really liked was the cleanliness. They cleaned up. I mean, I walked afterwards and trying to find garbage outside. I could not. They were very clean, courteous, answered questions, didn't mind me overseeing or looking, because I'm an old woodshop teacher, so I like to go out and look and kind of go, oh, what are they doing now? What are they doing next? You know, they didn't mind me looking over their shoulders and stuff.
Would you recommend us to family and friends?
Yes, because basically the efficiency, good pricing, and cleanliness, yeah, and you did everything you promised. It's just been a very smooth, working with you guys has been very smooth, and it was just a pleasure all the way around.